हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज बात करते हैं ओल्ड एज के बारे में। ओल्ड एज का मतलब क्या है? रिंकल्स, ग्रे हेयर, थिन हेयर, बार्डनेस एंड लैक ऑफ एनर्जी। इफ यू कैन रिवर्स these things, first four, at least we'll be happy. We are not going to give a demo of our energy, inner energy, and if we can change this also, it will be life changing. Everybody above 35 years of age today should follow what I'm going to discuss today to be wrinkle free, without gray hair, thin hair, baldness and lack of energy. How to do that? Now I'll be talking mainly about these. Wrinkles are caused when the natural oil which is supposed to come out of our skin is not allowed to come in. It starts accumulating inside, and that makes the skin puffy, and that ultimately transfers into wrinkles. So what should we be doing? See, first of all, हमें एक चीज समझना है कि जो स्किन होती है, उसके जो टिश्यूज और सेल्स हैं वो बहुत इजीली इन्फ्लेम हो जाते हैं। बहुत से लोग बोलते हैं हमारा स्किन ड्राई स्किन है। नोबडी ऑन दिस अर्थ हैज ड्राई और ऑयली स्किन। इट्स हाउ वी ट्रीट आवर स्किन which causes a dry or oily skin. I'd been having a very oily kind of skin during summers and very dry kind of skin during winters. Now, what are the reasons? And I think I have removed those reasons. My skin is in the transition phase, like when it's getting changed. First of all, we should wash our skin 3 to 4 times during the day with plain water. After washing our skin with the plain water, we should use a soft cotton towel to wipe off the excess water from our skin and do slight massage, very light massage. Any force will cause our skin tissues to be inflamed, and inflammation will cause lack of oil from our skin. And if we are treating our skin in a natural way, why do we need to clean our skin so many times? Everybody talks about pollution. I don't know much about pollution, but the natural pH level of our skin is 4.5, and this pH level is necessary to keep our skin clear of bacteria and other damages. The excretions from the skin, the oil which comes out of the skin, as well as dirt, have a higher pH level of about 6.5 or so. That must be restored as soon as possible after the skin is pH level is disturbed. So if you are washing with a plain water and cleaning our skin with a soft cotton towel, the dirt and the oil excretions of the past few hours will get cleaned up, and the natural excretion of the oil will start from the skin. The natural oil is very thin, very light, and with a very fine glow. So you can expect your skin to glow in about 2 months time, but you will see some positive impact within 7 to 15 days time. Now that's about wrinkleless skin. So if you are washing our hair, skin lightly 3 to 4 times during the day, that will be very ideal for wrinkleless skin throughout our life. Now let's talk about grey, thin and hair and baldness. Now I have all of them, so it is very awkward for me to talk about these things. But one more thing which I missed is dandruff. For these, the major cause is dandruff. Now we need to understand what is dandruff. Dandruff is nothing but the solidified oil which is supposed to come from our scalp. When we use any shampoo which has got conditioner or any other product which is oily, which is with a very high pH level maybe, or whatever we use, that that suppresses the natural oil which is supposed to come out of the scalp. Now that remains within the scalp and that solidifies over a period of time. When it solidifies, the same takes form of dandruff. Now what do we do? What do we need to do to get rid of the dandruff? We need to massage our hair, our scalp like this, lightly, for half a minute at a time. As I mentioned about the skin, if we are using a lot of force with the towel, that will cause inflammation, and that inflammation will stop any excretion of the oil from the skin or reduce it significantly. Now if you are massaging, light massage 10 times, half a minute each time, that will basically get rid of our existing dandruff. Like we have to do like this, all the dandruff will start falling on the table, and just keep monitoring every day what is the reduction in the dandruff which is coming out of our scalp, and you'll find within 4 days or 5 days is completely clean. No more dandruff will be coming. So solidified oil is clean. Now there is a kind of a change in our scalp, and it's not allowing a lot of oil to be supplied to our scalp. Now there are 2-3 things which we need to do after, same thing as we have to clean up our skin 3 to 4 times during the day. Same thing, we have to wash our hair with the plain water 3-4 times in a day. After washing, with the help of soft cotton towel, we need to massage it lightly for half a minute to 1 minute. Now second thing we need to do is hold the towel or hand to our head and move it like this. Now you will find there is a layer of the tissue skin on top of our hard skull that moves. So that is a very good exercise to stimulate the blood supply to our scalp. And once the blood supply is restored and the natural oil starts coming, the graying of the hair will stop. Not only stop, it will get reversed also. Thinning of the hair will stop, baldness will stop. So far in the last 2-3 months, when I have been reasonably regular, I've seen some 20% improvement. My graying of the hair is not only stopped, but I have noticed some black hair coming to the extent of about 20%. Thinning of the hair has stopped significantly. Baldness, here I had lost a lot of hair, but I think it's much better. That's what I've been told by family members. So all these things will be taken care of by washing the hair 3 to 4 times during the day, cleaning up or drying up our hair with the help of a soft cotton towel softly for a minute or so like this, and moving our skin on top of our scalp like this 4-5 times during the day. And the most important part, after drying of the hair, use the comb. Comb your hair 3 to 4 times during the day, every time for 1 or 2 minutes. Now these are things which will increase the blood supply to our hair, giving more nutrients to it. And when we are combing our hair, we will find after a month or so that the natural oil which is coming from the scalp is good enough, and the hair starts shining and gives very good results. All ailments relating to scalp skin are resolved within 1 or 2 months. Now lack of energy. Any lack of energy will also translate into various health issues, chronic health issues. For lack of energy, it's one cure for all diseases, which I have been talking about for ages now. That's walk and rest routines. 15 times, 5 minutes walk and 5 minutes rest. 3 to 4 times after getting up, 3 to 4 times before we go to the bed, and 5-6 times during the day, so taking the total to about 15. So 5 into 15, 75 minutes walk per day. And the similar thing is for the rest also. And second thing is like how much fluids or how, when and how we should eat. I have drawn up a WhatsApp message, so anybody who's interested in knowing the latest protocols for a healthy life can send me a WhatsApp message. I am giving my WhatsApp message in the description of this video, and I expect people to share this information with others as well. And do give me a feedback on WhatsApp or by giving a call on the same number, and I'll be highly obliged. This will help a lot of people. And thank you for watching this video.